Hi, Deadlocks here. Today I'm picking Little Miss Camera Shy, aka the Securit 6 lever that I can pick when the camera isn't pointing at me.
For some reason the camera's very blurry today. It's having difficulty focusing. I'm wondering why. Zoom out a little bit. Don't know what's going on with the camera today. Could just be my eyes. Actually, probably is my eyes because I've realised I'm not wearing my glasses.
That's brilliant.
It's so brilliant. I don't know where I put them. Practically blind without them. No wonder everything seems fuzzy. Here's me sat trying to like clean the camera lens and everything. To realise it's just me being blind.
There we go.
Just where I tell you I wasn't recording.
If you tell me that, I don't know what I'll do. I'm not saying stuff like that on YouTube.
That's okay because I'm not recording. No, I am recording.
I was going to say. But you're like, that's alright, you can say whatever you want because I'm not recording.
No, I'm definitely recording.
Open now. So that's happy Mr. Deadlocks got the Securit on camera.
Hey, that's all from us tonight.
See you next time.
Bye.